In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money taking pictures with your phone. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lester Diaz, and in this channel, we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. Alright guys, so as you know, I always try to bring you new ways to make money online. In fact, if you check on my YouTube channel, I have a ton of different ways that you can use to build an income online and make money from home. Today what I want to do is show you 4 websites that you can use to sell your pictures or videos. So if you like taking pictures with your phone, these websites are willing to pay you real money for those pictures. Now before we get into the video, if you haven't downloaded my free affiliate marketing guide below, you can download it where I show you how you can build an income using affiliate marketing, one of the best ways to make money online because you can build passive income by promoting other people's products. So if you want to grab that, it's 100% free by clicking on the description below. What I'm going to do is dive into my computer and show you each of those websites. So with that said, let's jump into my computer. Alright you guys, so the first website that I want to show you, it's called Fope.com, and this is a website. As you can see, you can make extra money with your videos and photos. They do have a free app which you can download, and how it works is quite simple. You split 50-50 with the company when you actually get to sell one of your videos or pictures. And as you can see, very simple. Simply upload your videos and earn money when a brand or agency decides to purchase one of your works. So if you're one of those people that has a lot of pictures and you like taking professional pictures with your phone, or you simply want to see if you can sell any of the pictures that you have for videos in your phone to an agency or a brand, then Fope is one of the best ways to actually do that. And you can go on Google and you can research and find out that there's people who have actually made money with Fope, mainly because they are professional photographers, or they actually been able to sell some of the videos that they have taken with their phone. And you can research this information on Google and find other people who have made money with this company. The next one is called Snapwire, and this is basically the same concept. You take pictures with your phone or a camera. Basically, you get to build a portfolio in a marketplace, and when other people decide to purchase your work, you'll get a commission for that. Again, they do have multiple apps which you can download. I actually saw some of the case studies that they have in there, and they're quite simple pictures. You don't have to be a professional photographer in order to make money with any of these websites, because most smartphones these days have pretty awesome cameras, and you can take high quality pictures with your phone. And basically, there's people willing to purchase these pictures to use for marketing purposes or on their websites. So you might never know if you have pictures that can be sold in this marketplace unless you actually try the website. The next one that I have for you is called IEM, and this is a website similar to the previous website where you get to build a portfolio, and basically you're able to sell your pictures and you own all those pictures. You can sell your pictures over and over again. They do have a free app which you can try, and as you can see, you can make 50% every time you sell, and a photo can be sold again and again to multiple clients. You can sell those pictures over and over again, and you can make money from your pictures on a monthly basis. And best of all, you get to own the pictures. So once you sell those pictures, you're still the owner of those pictures, and you decide what license level to give those pictures. So the last one that I have for you is called MyPic, and this is if you want to turn your pictures into like physical products that other people can buy from your store. So basically, if you take awesome pictures with your phone, if you think a picture should be put on a portrait or a canvas, this is what this website allows you to do. Here are some examples of a picture that can be used in multiple physical products, and you can earn up to 20% commissions on every single sale. So if you have a very popular picture and that picture is being used in many different physical products and people are buying it, you're gonna make a 20% commission on every single sale. And the best part is that you can use all of these sites at the same time if you want to do that. So if you want to sign up for 2 websites and see if you can sell your pictures in both of them at the same time, you can most definitely do it because you're the owner of those pictures. And the only thing you got to keep in mind is that those pictures need to be unique, and you actually have to own those pictures. So there you have it, 4 different websites that you can use to sell your photos online, whether you're a professional photographer or someone who simply likes taking pictures with your phone. Now you have a way to make money with them. So guys, as you can see, you can make money by taking pictures with your phone, and you can go on Google and research some of these websites. They're real, they're actually paying people for their pictures. And if you're passionate about taking pictures with your phone, or you're a professional photographer, you can still use this websites. But if you want to take your income to the next level, what I would suggest is to actually dive into affiliate marketing, which is one of the best ways to make money online. Again, if you want to download my free affiliate marketing guide, you can do so below. It'll teach you how you can make an extra $50, $100, or $200 per day simply promoting other people's products. With that said, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.